neffy is a nasal spray used for emergency treatment of allergic reactions, including anaphylaxis, in adults and children who weigh 33 pounds or greater. Each neffy contains a single dose of epinephrine. Always carry 2 neffy nasal spray devices with you. Keep neffy with its instructions until ready for use. Use neffy right away, as soon as you notice symptoms of an allergic reaction. Remove neffy from the packaging and hold the device with your thumb on the bottom of the plunger and a finger on either side of the nozzle. Insert the nozzle into a nostril until your fingers touch your nose, if possible. Keep the nozzle straight into the nose, pointed toward your forehead. Do not point or angle the nozzle to the nasal septum, which is the wall between your 2 nostrils, or the outer wall of the nose. Press plunger up firmly until it snaps up and sprays liquid into the nostril. Check for symptoms after the first dose of neffy. If symptoms get worse or come back after 5 minutes, give a second dose of neffy in the same nostril starting 5 minutes after the first dose. Get emergency medical help for further treatment of the allergic emergency or anaphylaxis, if needed, after using neffy. Tell your healthcare provider if you have underlying structural or anatomical nasal conditions, all the medicines you take, and about all your medical conditions, especially if you have heart problems, kidney problems, low potassium in your blood, Parkinson's disease, thyroid problems, high blood pressure, diabetes, are pregnant or plan to become pregnant, or plan to breastfeed. Tell your healthcare provider if you take or use other nasal sprays or water pills, diuretics, or if you take medicines to treat depression, abnormal heartbeats, Parkinson's disease, heart disease, thyroid disease, medicines used in labor, and medicines to treat allergies. Side effects of neffy may include nasal discomfort, headache, throat irritation, chest and nasal congestion, feeling overly excited, nervous, or anxious, nosebleed, nose pain, sneezing, runny nose, dry nose or throat, tingling sensation, including in the nose, feeling tired, dizziness, nausea, and vomiting. In addition to watching this video, please read the instructions for use that comes with neffy before use.